It's raining, drinking iced coffee,
Worm hunting, we're worm hunting.
and we're hunting for worms.
Oh yeah!
Alive? I'm not so sure. Worms?
Definitely.
Whoop. Stick. Another stick, guys. Cool.
Oh gosh.
Onward to safety. Nope.
I like need a little stick or something, or like a leaf. There we go.
I'm sorry. Did you have a problem with science? That's a good one.
Worm alert!
Oh.
Big old worm alert.
Actually, if you could squirm for me again, that was helpful. Got him. I just want to be a wormin. A wormin all day. One, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and our last worm, number 12.